Now let us solve one question based on Bayes' theorem. A bag contains 3 black and 4 white balls. Another bag contains 2 black and 5 white balls. One ball is randomly chosen from one of the bags and it is found to be white. What is the chance that it was selected from first bag? Now if you recollect, there was similar sum that we did in the conditional probability, but there it was asked to find what is the chance that the ball was white. Now here it is given that the ball is white and we have to go back and ask the question that from which bag it has selected with what probability. So here it's been asked to find out what is the chance that it was selected from first bag. Now here we see that it is the posteriori probability because the bag selection happens first and after that only the ball selection happens. But we are already given the result of the second event that occurs later and we have been asked to find out the probability of one of the causes. So here we can think of the 2 bags as 2 causes of the ball selection, right? So in short, what we have to find out basically is probability of bag 1 given that the selected ball is white, isn't it? So therefore this is what we have to calculate, and this type of probability, since it is posteriori probability, we use the statement of Bayes' theorem to calculate that, right? So just to recollect quickly what Bayes' theorem is, given a sample space, in this case we have now 2 partitions on the sample space, that is B1 and B2, because we know that exactly one of these 2 will occur, that is both of bag 1 and 2 can never be selected simultaneously. Now on top of it there is one event that we have a white ball, alright, and white ball may come from bag 1 or it may come from bag 2. So based on this, probability of B1 given W is given by probability of B1 into probability of W given B1 divided by, now the denominator contains the summation of all the terms of the type which are given in the numerator. So no doubt the first term will be exactly same as what we have in the numerator. So that is probability of B1 into probability of white given B1 plus, since we also have the second bag, we will have to add its corresponding term also, that is probability of B2 into probability of white given B2. So this is further equal to, now we have to substitute and calculate. Now probability of B1, the first term in the numerator, we know that it is half because both the bags have equal chances to be selected. Now probability of white given B1, that means if we have selected first bag, then what is the chance to have the ball to be white? Now here if you look, there are 3 black and 4 white balls, so total 7 balls, out of which 4 are white. So therefore its probability is nothing but 4 by 7 divided by, as we know the first term is same as the numerator, that is 1 by 2 into 4 by 7 plus, for the second term probability of B2 is no doubt once again 1 by 2 multiplied by probability of white ball given that it's a second bag B2. Now in second bag we have here, if we see 2 black and 5 white balls, so total 7 balls, out of which 5 are white. So therefore its probability is 5 by 7. Now here we observe that the denominators of all the terms are same, which is 14. So therefore we can multiply numerator and denominator by 14 and we will get the terms as 4 upon 4 plus 5. So that finally is nothing but 4 upon 9. So that is the probability that the ball was selected from first bag. Now if it is asked that what is the probability that it was selected from second bag, then we have 2 options to do, that is either we will proceed in a similar manner, but the only difference will be the numerator will be equal to the second term which is in the denominator, or if we have already calculated the probability of B1 given W, Then probability of the second bag given white ball was obtained is nothing but simply 1 minus the probability that we have just found. So that will be nothing but 5 by 9. Okay. So in this way we use the Bayes theorem to calculate the probability of some specific partition given that some event has occurred after that.